Congratulations, you've completed the Jumpstart Kit. But detoxing isn't a one and done process. It's a journey that builds over time. Let's talk about how to keep the momentum going by transitioning into the next phase of the CellCore Foundational Protocol or exploring other targeted kits. Step 2 of the Foundational Protocol. If you started with the Jumpstart Kit, Step 2 transitions you into the broader Foundational Protocol, which is designed to strengthen your body at every level for a comprehensive full-body detox. In Step 2, the focus shifts to enhancing gut health and strengthening the immune system. This step continues to optimize drainage while addressing the gut microbiome, a critical foundation for overall health. By supporting the gut, this step helps remove unwanted organisms and promotes balance within the digestive system, which plays a key role in immune function and detoxification. This preparation ensures a smoother and more effective transition into the systemic and cellular detox in steps 3 and 4 of the Foundational Protocol, laying the groundwork for comprehensive whole body health. Let's explore the MYC Support Kit. For those dealing with environmental challenges or seeking additional respiratory and liver support, the MYC Support Kit is an excellent option. This kit enhances drainage and promotes a balanced gut microbiome while supporting mitochondrial function and the body's natural ability to detoxify. It includes targeted supplements that focus on respiratory health, liver function, and systemic detoxification, perfect for addressing issues stemming from environmental exposures. Another option is the Para Kit, which focuses on gut health and immune support by addressing unwanted organisms and promoting a healthy microbiome. Para 1, made from Mimosa pudica seed, creates a gel-like consistency in the digestive tract, helping to trap and sweep away foreign organisms and debris. Para 2's blend of traditional herbs supports the digestive processes and enhances the body's detox capabilities by promoting a balanced gut and microbiome. This kit is especially beneficial for fortifying digestive health and boosting your immune system during your detox journey. Celebrate every step. Remember, detoxing is a journey. Every step you take builds on the last, creating a solid foundation for long-term wellness. Celebrate your progress. It's all part of your journey to sustainable health.